Hello and welcome back. So we're going to try to finish up, or not finish up, try to cap off this electric on this end, put a junction box in. To pretend that this isn't the same day as my other electrical trench project. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this capped off on the shed end of the conduit. We got a junction box, got a screw adapter, go on the pipe, and probably be a cover or two to plug them. And then we'll put wire nuts on the end of the wire, because that's about as far as we can get today. Oops, cutting myself off. Only have about 3 feet of Romex, so I gotta buy more of that. So junction box it is for now. Alright, I think we're going to tie all this electric in and see if everything actually works. Well, I can't see at the shed because I don't have the Romex I need. But here, we're going to tie this all together. So I'm going to turn up the breaker. The light will go off. Easy way to tell if it's off. And we'll go from there. So time lapse. Okay, so we're just going to tie all the black wires together, all the white wires together, all the green wires together. And we'll do that in time lapse because it'll probably take a while. I don't know if you can see it or not, but all the greens are tied together, all the blacks are tied together, all the whites are tied together. Then we'll turn this breaker back on, make sure stuff works. And then I'll put one screw in, I guess. Start this. If you close it all the way, then you'll have problems. But if you just start it, and hopefully everything will work. Okay, the electric's back on, the light turned on, nothing blew up. So we're just going to test this outlet again, just to make sure. And we can't test anything in shed yet, so wrapping this up shortly.